If you are a Floki fan, smash that like button because despite some sort of lackluster price action, here's the 7-day chart for Floki. It's down slightly. Here's the 1-month chart. It's up slightly, but nothing to write home about. So despite some strictly average price action recently, Floki, the coin, has been trending big time all over the place, especially on Twitter. Check this out. The term Floki was trending just yesterday on Twitter with 9 million tweets. Yeah, not 9,000, 90,000, 9 million tweets. 3 times as many as Pepe with 3 million tweets, and Pepe is always the top trending meme coin, so that's pretty impressive. Day before Wednesday, Floki was trending with 6 million tweets, but check this out. Shiba Inu, the #1 meme coin by market cap, was trending with only 30,000 tweets. So Floki was trending by 200, 250 times the amount of a bigger, more famous meme coin. Then the day before that, this is probably the most impressive, Tuesday, this was the day of the big FOMC meeting, so obviously the term FOMC is going to be trending on Twitter. It was with 260,000 tweets. Pretty respectable, pretty high. Floki was trending with 25 times the amount, 6.4 million tweets I put up, and then it wasn't just an anomaly. So then I sort of retweeted this, showing how impressed I was with the 6.3 million tweets. My tweet got 19,000 views, 275 likes. That's a lot for me, and this is all just very sort of bizarre because usually you get meme coins trending big time, obviously when the price is up. So if a coin like Pepe 2.0 this week, when it's just, outperforming every other meme coin and mooning from an under $1 million market cap to an $85 million market cap yesterday, that's going to be the top trending meme coin. Floki wasn't like that. The price action has been fairly flat the last month, but still the term Floki, just people are talking about it. It is just very impressive. So what's going on? Why are people talking about it other than it just as a big community? Well, part of it was a pretty big partnership that was announced on Wednesday, I believe. So this doesn't really sound too sexy on the surface, but it actually is a pretty good partnership. BitGo, if you haven't heard of them, you should. They've been around a while. They're a big Silicon Valley company right here, Palo Alto. Lots of big tech money is invested. Here's the website. Basically, so they provide regulated custody, financial services, and core infrastructures for investors and builders alike. Their clients are retail platforms, exchanges, developers. Basically, in a nutshell, custody is their main solution. They are the main custody partner for Robinhood, Fidelity Digital, Bitstamp, and more. So Bitstamp is one of the big exchanges, there we go, that uses them. So basically what this means is that obviously no one really trusts after FTX that coins on exchanges, that the exchange itself isn't going to do anything with them. Yeah, they could say, okay, we're self-custodying, we have them all there, it's good, but no one really trusts them. So to establish trust with people, Bitstamp, an exchange like that, they will take all their customer deposits and then give it to a trusted custody provider like BitGo, and then everyone trusts BitGo, so then it gives more trust to Bitstamp right there. So they're okay paying the fee, the 1-2% custody fee or whatever it is. They also have, big clients right here, Robinhood, Fidelity Digital, etc. So they're really kind of catering to mostly institutional clients, some retail like Robinhood, but mostly institutional clients. And they're also funded by Jump Capital, huge Chicago-based firm right there, and Goldman Sachs itself. This is in addition to a bunch of Silicon Valley companies. So this is basically Floki trying to bust into the institutional scene right here. And they have $64 billion in assets. So yeah, even though they have some big names here, I didn't think it would even be in the billions, let alone hundreds of millions, 64 billion. So Floki, I guess their partnership is they are just kind of giving part of their token supply. They do have a large market cap. It's about 300 million right now, or 250 million right now. They're giving a large part of their market cap, their tokens, just to BitGo, to custody. So everyone has trust that they are not going to spend treasury tokens or team tokens in ways that they shouldn't. Great move by Floki. Other developments, what's new? So along the same lines, Floki and FlokiFi have an ongoing partnership with Surtech. So Surtech is the gold standard of audits. It's the most expensive audit, the crypto audits. An initial audit with other firms costs a couple $100, $300, $400, $500. Surtech costs $10,000 to $20,000. It's just a more in-depth audit. So usually new meme coins will start with the cheaper audits just because they're on the funds. Then when they're successful and they have more funds and they want to establish further trust, then they get the gold standard audit with Surtech. Floki didn't just do that once with Surtech. They have an ongoing permanent relationship. So it sounds like they're just paying kind of an annual fee to Surtech to have Surtech, I don't know, once a month or so, just look at their smart contracts, look at their funds, making sure everything is kosher, they're secure, they're not prone to any hacks, there are no security vulnerabilities whatsoever. I really like this business model here. So again, they're just looking at all of these partnerships with the brand names to establish long-term trust with customers, which is especially good after all the FTX stuff that went on 6 months ago. What else? If you didn't know this, Floki for a while, they've been partnered with Binance Pay. So if you want to use Binance Pay to book flight tickets with 600 plus airlines and pay with Floki token, you can do that through Binance Pay. Pretty cool. It's definitely a retail move right there. Also, Floki is a Chinese Telegram group, so they're big in Asia. Remember, a lot of India, a lot of Indonesia, a lot of Chinese followers in the group. Their Telegram group is 150,000 likes. This is a Chinese language Telegram group. So this can't just be like U.S. people kind of looking, researching in there, seeing what the Chinese people are, what kind of coins they're talking about. They're speaking in Chinese. So they have a big, big, big group of Chinese Vikings. Very impressive. Also, Floki, they just passed 400,000 holders on the Binance Smart Chain. They also have about 70,000 on the Ethereum Smart Chain. They're a dual chain like Baby Doge and all those other coins. So again, even though the price action has been kind of flat lately, very impressive that the token holder is going up. What else? They're also doing a little singing contest on Twitter. They're tweeting so many times every day. They're doing a bunch of giveaways, all that stuff. Whoever can sing the best Floki-inspired song in a voice chat on Telegram. What are they winning? $2,000. Not cheap either. Very cool. That's it for the video here. Drop a comment down below if you're part of the Floki community. Hit the like and subscribe button. One of my favorite communities. Be back Monday with a new video. Everyone have a good weekend. Ben Crypto signing out. Catch you later.